Umuntu oyazi ipolitiki yangampela uzo-understand ukuthi makuthiwa there are no permanent enemies, no permanent friends kwipolitiki usho ukuthini. Ichaza ukuthi we can agree to disagree. Namhlanje singaphikisana but kumele ukuthi the final winner ekugcineni kube organization, not personalities, not slates, not camps. But into edestroy ama-organizations aledwa abantu abamnyama ukuthi once sahlukana ngembono sabhilonga kuma-camps, you treat me like an enemy forever. You don't understand ukuthi tomorrow kungaba khona enye i-caucus iphinde futhi izosihlanganisa, because into eyenza lama-caucus kusuke kuyinto esifuna ukuyi-achieve ngokwaleso sikhathi. But at the end of the day, the winner must be the organization, not individuals. You can emerge today kwi-conference, but it doesn't mean ukuthi unga-emerganga is not your comrade. He's your comrade, but if you come back and treat that person as a loser and treat that person as an outsider, chaza ukuthi the organization is going to lose members, because there is no comrades without influence, and there is no comrades without followers. There is no comrades without members. We are giving you true politics now. Come out of your shadows and learn true politics. There is no one who's supposed to be an outsider in a political organization, a living organism. Into mayiphila chaza ukuthi kuzoba khona ama-differences, and there must be a loser and a winner. But in politics, the final winner must be the organization. When you have just emerged, you didn't win. Your caucus just emerged, it didn't win. The organization must win, because once inaba nalento ukuthi i-caucus i-imagile, i-caucus iwinile, you treat other people as outsiders. You mock them, you laugh at them, you treat them as enemies. If they leave or they choose to sabotage whatever you do out of pains that you have caused them by not treating them as enemies, but treating them as losers, the organization is going to be the loser. Awuthi ngikutshene lokho. A good leader is a good listener. If you can't listen, you can't lead.
Wonke umuntu onenhloso yokufunda ngepolitiki kukhona ngakucosha kulensizwe uChilisi. Alikho iqiniso ledlula lela lishilo. Sithi isiZulu umntaka lahlo. Sho njalo isiZulu. Sithi isiZulu asikho ezindlebende kwabo. Usho isiZulu. Ngoba siyafika ikhathi lapho khona kuphambana imbono. Kodwa kuyafuneka ukuthi kube nendlela okuzohlalwa phansi kubuyiswane. Kukwaze ukuthi sitshelana amaqiniso esithe bese siphuma sesikhuluma ngazwilinye, ngoba ekugcineni kosuku it's not about an individual, it's about an organization. Ayikho into ebaluleke njengaleyo. Lento esiyibona yenzeka kuma-political parties, ikakhulukazi kumkhonto wesizwe, ukuthi uma ngabe beney'nkinga baphume balwe ku-social media, akuluzi bona kodwa kuluzi iqembu. Ngoba nabantu nje abangewona ama-members kodwa abayithandayo, ngoba kukhona abantu abathi yazi ngiyayithanda i-political party ethize noma ngingeyona imember yayo. Umuntu othi ngingayivotela i-political party ethize uma mhlawumbe ecasulwe i-political party ayivotelayo, ugcine that uma kunje, ngoba ekugcineni kushayeka i-organization. Maningi makhulu kakhulu lamazwi ashiwo uChilisi la. Afuna nje umuntu olalelayo ebese yayicabangisisa into. Ayimfuni umuntu olalela ukuphendula. Funa umuntu olalela ukuzwa ukuthi kuthiwani. Kodwa ekugcineni kosuku uthi into efuneka iwine i-organization, akuyena umuntu. Uma niphambene, ngihlezi ngisho la, siyaxabana nabanye la ku-comment section. Ngithi ukuxabana kwethu kusho ukuthi kuphambene imbono, kodwa mina nawe sixabene ngoba kufike la singavumelani khona. Kodwa siyasibone masibenza amanye ama-video, sengibona umuntu ekhomenta ngithi ilo sasiphikisana ngalela ngoba suke singaxabene. Kuyenzeka mhlawumbe siphendulane kabi, ngikuzwe kabi noma ungizwe kabi wena, siphendulane kabi, kodwa ngoba sikuleli ikhaya, angeke ngiphile mina ngaphandle kwakho, angilutho mina ngaphandle kwakho. So kukhona ukubambisana, sine relationship, sinobudlelwano obusihlanganisile ukuthi sixoxe indaba zezepolitiki. Asivumelani njalo, kodwa ngoba ekugcine asixabani noma kuphambene imbono, yingakho namhlanje sikhuluma into singazwani, ngokuzayo sikhuluma into sivumelane. Kunjalo empilweni. Ngakho ke inkulu kakhulu into eshoyo Chilisi. Ngeviki eliphelile kuphume i-article ebibhalwe i-Sunday World mayelana nodaba likaNomvalo oluthinta inkosi yakwaChiliza. Ngizofunda lo article leyo bese ke ngifunda igxathu elithathwe umkhonto wesizwe phansi emveni kokuphuma kwalo article. A bitter power struggle has erupted at the top of the MK party after Secretary General Sibonelo Nomvalo accused a senior party leader of working a campaign to remove him from office. In a formal complaint to Second Deputy President Tony Yengeni, Nomvalo alleges that KwaZulu-Natal caucus leader Inkosi Party Sizwe Chiliza has been spreading claims that he is controlled by a senior politician from a rival party, received gifts from the politicians and should be removed as Secretary General. The complaint, dated June 8, places one of the MK party's most senior office bearers at the center of an escalating internal battles authority inside Jacob Zuma's party. Nomvalo alleges that Chiliza has been telling party members that he is being funded and handled by a senior leader from a rival political party. He further alleges that Chiliza claimed that the rival political party bought him a vehicle and paid for his security detail. According to the complaint, Chiliza also allegedly claimed that Nomvalo's security personnel were hardcore hitmen. Most significantly, Nomvalo alleges that Chiliza has been calling for his removal from office. The Secretary General says the allegations are false and have the potential to undermine his authority if left unchallenged. The complaint was also copied to National Chairperson Nkosinathi Nhleko, Provincial Elections Convener Willis Mchunu, and MK Royal and Traditional Council's Chairperson Inkosi Mavundla. The dispute surfaced as the MK party prepares for the first local government elections campaign, and while the party continues to wrestle with organizational tension after a series of structural changes. Nomvalo warns in the complaint that the party was entering a significant stage and could not afford attacks that undermine its leadership. Ake sifunde yonke ke le article kodwa inhloso yami bekungukuthi uzwe umongo lokho abathi gist yale nkulumo ekuthiwa bikhona noma le ngxabano ebekuthiwa ibikhona phakathi kwenkosi uChiliza kanye noSibonelo Nomvalo. Einsukwini ezedlule i-leadership yomkhonto wesizwe party bahambile nayo uSibonelo Nomvalo baya kuye inkosi uChiliza. Ngubabona behlangene la yilapho bebeqeda ukuxoxisana khona nenkosi uChiliza base beyashutha bonke isithombe. Nangu uJacob Zuma phakathi naye inkosi uChiliza ngapha kwesokudla. Angiboni ukuthi ubani lokwesokunxele bese kuba uNomvalo nabanye ke ngokunjalo. uTony Yengeni lo ngapha kwesokunxele sika former president uJacob Zuma. Njengoba isiZulu sithi okonakela ngomlomo kulungiswa ngawo. Ngisho nempi esuka nje ngayiphi indlela ukuze ixazululeke idinga ukuthi kuhlale phansi kukhulunywe. Umkhonto wesizwe party kulolu daba ukhombise ubuhlakani obedlule lo bese sifisa ukuthi sibone njalo uma beneyinkinga yokuthi uma kukhona ukungaboni ngasolinye bahlale phansi bakhulume uma kukhona nephutha bamsole idlule iphele hayi ukubonakala sekulizimpi ko social media. Nalolu daba njengoba ubona nje sebeze beli-announce ukuthi libhalwe iSunday World yasazisa ukuthi kukhona ukungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwenkosi uChiliza kanye noSibonelo Nomvalo Secretary General. Ngifisa ke manje ukuthi ngifundi lethe ephuma kumkhonto wesizwe party mayelana nalo lolu daba. Statement umkhonto wesizwe party usikhiphe ngomhla ka-19 kuJune 2026 ngolwesihlanu. Isihloko sawo sithi umkhonto wesizwe party leadership meets Chiliza royal family, strengthen relations and resolves political differences. Umkhonto wesizwe party President Jacob Zuma, together with MK Party Second Deputy President Tony Yengeni and Secretary General Sibonelo Nomvalo, met with a delegation led by Inkosi Chiliza and members of the royal family. The meeting was held in in a positive and respectful spirit. The king expressed his appreciation for the engagement and thanked the Umkhonto weSizwe Party leadership for meeting with the delegation. Both parties expressed satisfaction that any political differences that may have existed in the past have been amicably resolved, paving the way for the renewed cooperation, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to advancing the interest of their communities. The engagement provided an opportunity to strengthen relations, addresses matters of mutual interest, and chart a way forward towards greater cooperations and understanding between the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and the royal family. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party leadership reaffirmed the party's commitment to engaging all stakeholders, community groups, traditional leaders, and monarchs as part of its ongoing program of building unity, partnerships, and a common vision for the future. All parties agreed on the importance of continued dialogue, cooperation, and working together for the benefit of their communities and the nation as a whole. Ukuncoma kokwenziwe umndeni wasebukhosini bakwaChiliza oMdunge bebambisene ne-leadership ye-MK Party ukuthi bahlalile phansi lapho bekukhona ukungaboni ngaselinye khona bakulungisa konke lokho manje bakhuluma ngazwilini. Kule simo lesi iphathi iyona ewinile. Ngiyafisa mina ngesingami sengathi udaba likaNhlamulo noDuduzile bangalungisa kanje. Bahlale phansi kusolwane. Uma uNhlamulo kukhona ukurong akwenza atshelwe khona alibona iphutha lakhe, noDuduzile amaphutheni awenzile atshelwe alibona iphutha lakhe, babuye bese kuthiwa njengezingane zala ekhaya, ingane mayikonile uyishaya ngoswazi iphinde ibuye ngoba ngiyala ekhaya. Mina ngifisa sengathi udaba likaNhlamulo noDuduzile bangalungisa kanjalo. Bangahlala phansi nje balixoxe, lidingidwe kahle kuthiwa cha, lokhu kulokho enikwenzile nesephutheni balibone nabo iphutha labo, ngoba ayikho into ebaluleke kwedlula leyo ukuthi uma usolwa nawe phela abona ukuthi usolwa ngani. Akekho mina umuntu ongicasula njengomuntu ofuna ukuba i-victim. Ngaso sonke isikhathi yena uhleze right, abanye abantu abarong. Funeka nje nodaba likaDuduzile ngesingami bengifisa mina balungise kanje. Kuhlalwe phansi kuthiwe cha Nhlamulo wonile la, naku u1 no2 no3 omonile naye axolise, babuyisane bese kwakhiwa iqembu ngoba ekugcineni kosuku it's not about an individual. Yes, ngiyazi kwesinye isikhathi kuyakuthiwa we want to send a strong message ukuze nabanye abantu bangayenzi le nto leyo. Hayi isikhathi esinjalo siyafika, but ayikho into ebalulekile njengokuthi kubekezelelana. Yingakho ke ngiqale ngaleya video kaChillis ethi ukuyenzeka kuphambana imibono, kodwa phela umuntu akabi mubi wonke, kuba khona izinto ezinhle akwazi ukuzenza. Yingakho ngathi mina ukube kuyangami bebezohlangana kanje, kube uDuduzile kube uNhlamulo, naye asho uDuduzile ukuthi cha mina ngigculisekile ngo1 no2 no3, noNhlamulo asho ukuthi mina ngigculisekile ngo1 no2 no3, nalabo abanye banikwa ithuba. Lokho bekuzobakha babe into eyodwa, ngoba umuntu akalahlwa. Umuntu nje awukho umgqomo kulahla umuntu, awukho. Futhi asikho esindlebende kwabo. Funa kuthiwa silungiseni bafowethu ningasayiphindi lento bese sibhekana nezithi. Kodwa lo ngumbono wami. Kodwa osuka emveni kwale senze senziwe i-leadership omkhonto weSizwe Party. Mina nawe sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyazalwa ngoLwesihlanu. Ngiyacela nje ningiphi imali. Ngiyabonga.